Welcome to Autonomic Sauce Labs low-code automated web testing studio. In this segment of our video series on project properties, we're going to review how to use Autonomic's Enable Interactive Debugging. This property is helpful when you're not sure which element is being used for a particular test step. Enabling it will allow you to see and interact with a particular step, all while the step recorder captures the element. We'll enable this feature and review how it works. If we want to search for elements instead, not manually going through each step of the application, we can click on the debug button here. We can now see the particular page in the step recorder. To change the element, we click on the element and the HTML step is recorded. Once we click Save, the original step will be replaced with the newly recorded step. To learn more about project properties, view the other videos in this short series. And to learn other tips for advancing your low-code automation strategies, visit our Autonomic Sauce Labs YouTube page or reach out to us via our website.